study present continuous tense. Before we study the rules of simple present continuous tense, let's start the examples. Sonam is writing homework. Sonam is reading science book. And Suban is playing video game. And Anjan and Bidhan are singing English songs. And Hari and his sister are not drawing picture. And are you sweeping the floor now? So these are the examples of present continuous tense. So look here. Is writing, is reading, is playing, are singing, are drawing, sweeping. So here all the verbs, main verbs are in verb 4. Okay, verb have 5 forms. So for example, write, wrote, written, writing, writes. So it is 5 forms of the verbs. But this present continuous tense is taking which verb? Verb 4. All the verbs you can see here, all the verbs are in verb 4 form. Okay, they are in, these verbs are in which form? Verb 4. So here you have to take and this continuous form is shown by verb 4 and it is in present tense, and this is shown by what? This is and are auxiliaries. They are showing that it is in present, and this verb 4 is showing that it is in continuous. So these are the examples of present continuous tense. We have discussed over the examples of present continuous tense. Now look at the rules of present continuous tense. Means in what situation we use, in what context we use present continuous tense. So here look at the examples. Sandeep is brushing his teeth now. Means he is brushing his teeth. Means time is what? Now. Means it is action. This brushing, this is the action, and it is at the time of speaking. Means when somebody is performing some action at the time of speaking, so at that time we use present continuous tense. Means we use verb 4. Okay. So now look here. The students are still playing badminton. They are still playing badminton. So these are the action at the time of speaking. Means we are talking, and now at this time what the students are doing. But they are still playing badminton. And now look here. Planned or arranged action for near future. So if we have planned some action for future, at the time also we use present continuous tense. So now look here, we are going to picnic tomorrow. So we are making this plan for tomorrow. Tomorrow it is future, but what tense is used here? Present continuous tense, are going. So we are going to a picnic. So Ritu is giving an interview next week. So now this next week, it is a plan for what? Next week. It's a planned action. So it is in what? Present continuous tense. So it is a plan for next week. So Ritu is giving an interview. Ritu is giving an interview for next week. Now look at, they are dancing. So now here, listen, someone is ringing the bell. Someone is ringing the bell. And don't disturb her, she is doing her homework. Don't disturb her, she is doing her homework. Means this look, listen, don't disturb, these words and phrases, they are used to draw the attention. Means when you say look, so it draws what? Attention. Listen. Hey, listen. So this means what? We are drawing the what? Attention. When we say, for example, if you are just crossing the road and the truck is coming. Look, the truck is coming. So we express this kind of words, and so when we draws attention, now at the time what we use present continuous tense. For example, listen, someone is ringing the bell. Means we are listening the sound now. So at the time what you say? Listen. Means this action is happening now. So at the time what to do that somebody are not listening. So what you say? Listen. So you are doing the attention here. Listen, someone is ringing the bell. And don't disturb her, she is doing her homework. Sorry. हामीले के लेख्यौं त भन्दा प्रेजेन्ट कन्टिन्युअस टेन्समा एक्सन अहिले भइरहेको कार्य हामी अहिले बोल्दै गर्दा जुन कार्यहरू भइरहेको हुन्छ त्यो कार्य चाहिँ के हुन्छ प्रेजेन्ट कन्टिन्युअस टेन्समा हुन्छ जस्तै सन्दीप इज ब्रशिङ हिज टीथ नाउ इज ब्रशिङ अहिले उ ब्रश गर्दैछ भनेपछि यो टाइम केले थाहा दियो भन्दा नाउ अहिलेको कुरा गरे नि त अहिले त्यो कार्य भइरहेछ भनेपछि चाहिँ सन्दीप इज ब्रशिङ हिज टीथ नाउ त्यस्तै गरेर अब वी आर गोइङ टु पिकनिक टुमारो हामी भोलि पिकनिक जाँदैछौँ हामीले प्लान गरिसक्यौँ भनेपछि फ्युचर नियर फ्युचरमा त्यो एक्सन हुँदैछ भने अब त्यसमा के प्रयोग भयो त प्रेजेन्ट कन्टिन्युअस आर गोइङ भन्ने भाव लाग्यो अब त्यस्तै गरेर अब नेक्स्ट विक मैले टु इज गिभिङ एन इन्टरभ्यु नेक्स्ट विकमा इन्टरभ्यु दिनेछ त्यो प्लान भइसक्यो फिक्स्ड भइसक्यो त्यही कारणले गर्दा चाहिँ यहाँ के लाग्यो त इज गिभिङ लाग्यो है यहाँ अब चाहिँ के भयो त प्रेजेन्ट कन्टिन्युअस लाग्यो है अनि त्यस्तै गरेर अब चाहिँ ध्यान आकर्षण गराउने जुन शब्दहरू हुन्छन् नि हैन जस्तो कि लुक भयो अब लिसन भयो सुन भनिन्छ नि हेर उ को आउँदैछ यस्ता खालको कुरा जस्तै लुक भने त्यसले चाहिँ हाम्रो ध्यान आकर्षण गरायो नि ड्रो गर्यो नि त एटेन्सनलाई ड्रो गर्ने काम गर्यो अब त्यस्तै लिसन अनि डोन्ट डिस्टर्ब हर यस्ता शब्दहरू आएका हुन्छन् त्यो शब्द हामीले के थाहा दिन्छ भने यो चाहिँ केमा छ त प्रेजेन्ट कन्टिन्युअस टेन्समा छ भन्ने कुरा हामीलाई के गराउँछ त्यसले अवगत गराउँछ जस्तै कि लुक दे आर डान्सिङ लुक दे डान्स भनेर भएन लुक दे आर डान्सिङ भन्नु पर्यो लिसन समवन इज रिङिङ द बेल लिसन समवन रिङ्स भनेर त भएन बोल्दै गर्दा त्यो कार्य भइरहेछ त अनि हामीले के प्रयोग गर्नु पर्यो त भन्दा यसलाई प्रेजेन्ट कन्टिन्युअस टेन्स प्रयोग गर्नु पर्यो अब हामीले बुझ्नुपर्ने कुरा के हो भने प्रेजेन्ट कन्टिन्युअस टेन्ससँग कस्तो खालको एडभर्ब्सहरुको प्रयोग हुन्छ त भनेर चाहिँ जस्तै अब नाउ स्टिल एट प्रेजेन्ट हैन अब एट दिस मोमेन्ट एट दिस टाइम जस्ता एडभर्ब टाइम एडभर्ब्सहरुको प्रयोग हुन्छ हैन यो टाइम एडभर्ब आएपछि हामीले के थाहा हुन्छ भन्दा यो चाहिँ प्रेजेन्ट कन्टिन्युअस टेन्समा छ अब प्रेजेन्ट कन्टिन्युअस टेन्समा हामीले अघिल्लो कक्षामा भनिसके कि प्रेजेन्ट कन्टिन्युअस टेन्स केले जनाउँछ भन्दा verb form ले जनाउँछ र verb form ले चाहिँ कन्टिन्युअस भनी जनाउँछ अनि इज र आर जस्ता एक्सिलरी verb ले चाहिँ त्यो प्रेजेन्टमा छ भनी जनाउँछ यसरी हामीले प्रेजेन्ट कन्टिन्युअस टेन्स सम्बन्धी केही रुलहरु हामीले आज अध्ययन गर्यौं आजको क्लास हाम्रो यही सकौं।